Hey, what's up everybody? Gene Fetty with the Automotive Appearance Institute, here to tell you about our in-person, hands-on collision glue pull repair training for body shop technicians. We're going to be at the Anson showroom in Burleson, Texas. Anson has been serving the PDR community since 1996, and they are moving into the collision space, and we are proud to have them as a sponsor and a partner in this event. This training is for body techs, whether you are using a system or maybe you have a system that's not being utilized. You've tried some maybe off-brand glue pulling or some small systems and you're having mixed opinions or mixed luck, or you're thinking about investing in a glue pull repair system and you're not sure which direction to go. This class will get you up to speed, make you an educated consumer, and have you working on cars in one day. We're going to have the L2E system from Kiko, top to bottom, large damage to small damage and everything in between. We're going to teach you a little bit about PDR lighting. We're going to teach you how to work on door dings, small dents, large dents. We're also going to have the latest intention tools and tabs. We're going to have the Cam Auto Elite system, right? Come out, get checked out, become proficient at glue pull repair, and learn the best way to do it. Learn more at AAIEvents.com. Don't wait, these seats are limited, and we hope to see you there.